In the manufacturing industry, chip removal is a crucial service that involves the removal of excess material from a workpiece during the manufacturing process. This process is essential in creating high-quality products that meet the required specifications. Chip removal is performed using various tools such as drills, milling machines, and lathes, which are designed to remove material from the workpiece in a precise and controlled manner. The chip removal process is critical in ensuring that the final product meets the required specifications. The removal of excess material from the workpiece ensures that the product is of the correct size, shape, and weight. Additionally, chip removal helps to improve the surface finish of the product, which is essential in enhancing its aesthetic appeal. The process also helps to reduce the risk of defects and errors in the final product, which can be costly to rectify. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in providing high-quality products and services to its clients. The company has a team of experienced professionals who are skilled in chip removal and other manufacturing processes. Berkness Company understands the importance of chip removal in the manufacturing process and has invested in state-of-the-art equipment and technology to ensure that its clients receive the best possible service. If you are looking for a reliable and experienced manufacturing company that can provide chip removal services, Berkness Company is the right choice. The company has a proven track record of delivering high-quality products and services to its clients, and its team of experts is always ready to assist you with your manufacturing needs. To learn more about chip removal and other services offered by Berkness Company, visit the Contact Us page on the company's website. The page provides all the necessary information on how to get in touch with the company's representatives, who will be happy to answer any questions you may have. FAQs. 1. What is a chip in manufacturing? A chip in manufacturing refers to a small electronic component that is used in various devices such as computers, smartphones, and other electronic gadgets. It is made up of a semiconductor material that can perform various functions such as storing data, processing information, and controlling electronic devices. 2. How are chips manufactured? Chips are manufactured using a process called semiconductor fabrication or wafer fabrication. This involves a series of complex steps such as designing the chip, creating a mask, depositing layers of materials, etching patterns, and testing the chip for quality and functionality. The process requires specialized equipment and cleanroom facilities to ensure that the chips are free from contaminants that can affect their performance. 3. What are the different types of chips used in manufacturing? There are several types of chips used in manufacturing, including microprocessors, memory chips, logic chips, and analog chips. Microprocessors are used in computers and other electronic devices to perform complex calculations and tasks. Memory chips are used to store data and information, while logic chips are used to control electronic devices. Analog chips are used to process signals such as sound and video. Each type of chip has its own unique characteristics and applications. For more information, contact Berkness